This video will show you how you can use Microsoft Office apps such as Word, Excel and PowerPoint for completely free. So to do this, you will first need to head to any web browser and then search for Microsoft 365. Now click on the first link. Now here you will need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one already, you can also create it. Once you are on this particular screen, you will need to select this apps option. And here you will see all the apps that you can download and use for free. So I can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook too. Now let's just open Word for example first. Now here, as you can see, I have this create blank document option. I can click on it and then start working on a document right here as well. Now if you want to download Word to your computer and use it without opening your browser, all you have to do is click on this three dot icon. Now go to cast, save and share. Now select this install page as app option and then finally click on install. Once you do this, the Word will be installed as an app. Now let's just close this for a moment. Now let's do the same with Excel too. So I'll just open Excel. Click on the three dot icon in the top right corner. Go to cast, save and share and then select install as app. Now I'll select install again. Now let's close everything. Now as you can see, I have this Word and Excel icons on my desktop. I can simply double click on the Word icon and it will immediately open the app. Now I can click on this create blank document to start working on a new document, or I can also select this upload a file option and then upload a document from my PC's local storage. So I'll just select this one for example. Now as you can see, the document is now open and I can then edit it however I like. As you can see, all the features are accessible. Now anytime I want to download this document, all I have to do is click on this file option, select create a copy and then select download a copy. Similarly, you can also open Excel and then start working on any of these. So I'll just select one of these and you can then start working here as well. So all the features and everything will work as expected. The only thing with this method is that you will need to have an internet connection to use these apps. Other than that, you will be able to use Microsoft Word and Excel for completely free. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.